In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an event in Skool Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your event, make precise updates, and ensure everyone in your community sees the changes right away. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Skool and look for the official website. Choosing the correct result matters, so check that you're on the authentic site before moving forward. If you manage events frequently, consider bookmarking the login page so you can get back here quickly in the future. Click into the official Skool link to proceed. A quick tip here: verify you see a secure connection in your browser and the correct domain before entering your credentials. That helps you avoid landing on a look-alike page. Log into your account using your usual details. Make sure you're signing into the account that has access to the community where the event lives. If your account uses extra verification, complete that now. Once you're in, you'll land on your Skool home or community area. Head to the Calendar tab. You'll typically find it in the main navigation within your community. The calendar view will show you all upcoming and past events by date. If you manage multiple groups, double-check you're viewing the correct community's calendar to avoid editing the wrong event. Click on the specific event you want to change. You can navigate to the right month and day, then select the event title to open its details. This brings up an event pop-up with the key information currently scheduled. In the top right corner of that event pop-up, click the pencil icon to enter edit mode. If you don't see the pencil, it may be due to permissions. In that case, check with your community administrator to make sure you have editing rights. Now, modify what you need. Update the event name to keep it clear and concise, adjust the date and time, refine the description with the agenda or expectations, and paste in a meeting link if you're hosting this online. Take a moment to confirm the correct time zone and keep the description actionable so members know exactly how to prepare. When everything looks right, click Save to update the event for all members. Your community will see the new details immediately, and depending on their notification settings, they may be alerted to the change. It's a good idea to reopen the event once saved and scan for typos or incorrect times just to be sure. That's it. You've successfully edited an event in Skool Calendar. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.